So we've got a task here. It says to rotate the triangle ABC clockwise, so this way, right? So this way, 90 degrees about point A. So point A here. Now what I like to do when I use my tracing, when I do my rotations, is to use tracing paper. And one of the first steps is I like to draw my own axis, or my own axes, to be honest, on the tracing paper before I begin anything. So let me just do that real quick. It has to be pretty accurate, so take your time when you do this step. You don't have to do this step, but I really like to do it because it makes the rotations so much simpler. Okay, now it says I have to rotate about point A. So point A here is going to be the new center of rotation right there, not 0, 0. We'll use 0, 0 later. So I put the 0, 0 of my tracing paper axes on point A, and I just line everything up underneath. Okay, so here we go. So this line is right on that line on the grid, and so on. Now I know A is here, B, let's plot B, and C is over here, and I'm going to be rotating this way, clockwise, 90 degrees. So essentially when this line here gets down to here, I know that I have gone 90 degrees. So let's do that. Rotate, rotate, remember it's on point A, and now, there, I've gone 90 degrees. So now I just line everything up again, line up the axis on my tracing paper smack bang on the grid lines underneath, right? And now, I know A is where it started, that didn't move because we rotated on A, but B is here and C is over here. Okay, so let's take the coordinates. So I know A, and I'm going to know B, and I'm going to know C. Now these aren't ABC, because ABC are here, here, and here. This is A dash, B dash, C dash. These are the images of the original. So the image of A is right where it started. It doesn't move. So that's going to, if I look at the original axes, I know that this is 0, 0. So this is 1, 0. That's, oh, sorry, 1, negative 1. That's where A is, and A dash. So 1, negative 1. B dash is 0, 1, 2, 3, so it's 0, negative 3, and C is, here's 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is negative 3, negative 3. Okay, so A is 1, A dash, sorry, is 1, negative 1, that doesn't move, so I know that that's A dash. B is 0, 1, 2, 3, so here, that's going to be B dash, and C dash is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going to be here at C dash, like that. Okay, so now all I have to do is rule the triangle. So draw it as accurately, construct it as accurately as I possibly can. So take my time, line up the points, and then it becomes hard to go too wrong. There we go. Okay, and then just label the new points. So this is, not only is it A, but it's also A dash. This point here is B dash, and this point here is C dash. And pretty much, that's how it's done.